This is first standard social studies 11th chapter. The chapter name is Save Earth. See children, in this chapter we are going to learn about the earth, how does the earth being polluted and steps to save the earth. We all live on earth. It is like our mother. We must take care of the earth. We do these what do these pictures shows? It shows that our planet is carrying too much load. Too many people live here. Our earth is being polluted everywhere. More population, more pollution. All types of vehicles run on the earth. They pollute the air. See children, we live on the earth, isn't it? It is, the earth is like our mother. We have to take care of our mother, means we have to take care of our earth. See, in this picture it shows that our planet earth carries too much load. Too many people live here. You can see here many people are living on the earth. Our earth is being polluted everywhere because of the vehicle, isn't it? More population means more pollution. That population need people need more vehicle, no, so that our earth gets polluted. All types of vehicles run on the earth, isn't it? So that air pollutes. People cut forest for their use. Animals are being hunted for personal use and glory. The earth is losing its natural beauty. We must pay attention to the growing population. It should be checked at any cost. See children, people are cutting the forest for their use. Animals are being hunted for their personal use and for their glory, isn't it? Our earth is so that our earth is because that people are cutting forest, no, and they are hunting the animals for their personal use, no, so that earth is losing its natural beauty. So if we do like this means that our natural resources will be gets over, isn't it? So that we must pay attention to the growing population and it should be checked at any cost. Next, let us see the steps to save the earth. What are the steps to save the earth? Let us see one by one. How to save the earth? What are the steps to save the earth? Grow more trees. Stop people immediately if you find them cutting trees. Do not throw polythene bags and other such things in rivers, ponds, etc. Use recycle things like a paper bag, jute bag, etc. Keep the air clean. We need pure air to breathe in. Educate others how to save the earth. See children, we have to take some steps to save the earth. What are the steps we have to take to save the earth? We have to grow more trees and stop the people immediately if they are cutting the trees. Don't throw polythene bags and other such things into the rivers or ponds. We should not throw polythene bags and other such waste things into the ponds and rivers. Okay. Use the recycled things like paper bags and jute bags. Okay. Keep the air clean. We need pure air to breathe in. So that we have to keep the air clean. So that you have to grow more trees. So that we are getting pure air to breathe. And we have to save the earth, we have to educate the people to save the earth. Educate the others to save the save the earth. Like this we can save the earth. Okay children, I hope you all understood about the earth. And so we have to grow more trees. Why? Trees purifies the air. They keep the surroundings clean, isn't it? So that we have to grow more trees.